Welcome back, guys. अब हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन 6. A train travels along a straight horizontal track at time t is equals to 0. The train passes through the station P at constant speed without stopping. This is where the train passes the station P. The driver applies the brake 70 seconds before reaching the station Q. The train decelerates. Figure 1.1 is the speed time graph for the train from t is equals to 0 until it stops. अच्छा सबसे पहले this is the constant velocity constant speed graph मतलब जो उसका part है. This part is constant speed, there is no acceleration. इधर इधर as we can see deceleration is taking place and it decelerates down to 0 meters per second. Decelerates down to 0 meters per second because it has reached its destination. Destination reach हो गई है, which is station Q. This is the point where they started to. एक second. This is the point where they started to apply the brakes. ठीक है ना? Apply the brakes at approximately गिन लेते हैं. Each small box is 2. So 44, 46, 48. 44, 46, 48, sorry my bad, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56. तो 56 सेकंड्स पे वो ब्रेक लगाना शुरू करते हैं और यहाँ तक लगाते हैं ब्रेक. ठीक है ना? डिटरमिन द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन स्टेशन पी एंड स्टेशन क्यू. अच्छा इसके लिए ना हमने बोला क्या करना है. हमने will use the area under the graph in order to find what the distance is between P and Q. क्योंकि P को तो यहाँ पास कर दिया उसने. It is behind us when the graph starts. Graph जब start होता है ना, then at that current point the station P is behind us. ठीक है ना? तो we'll use area under the graph to find the distance. तो एरिया अंडर द ग्राफ हम दो तरीके से निकाल सकते हैं. एक तरीका ये हो गया कि हम इन दोनों को डिवाइड कर दें और निकालें एरिया अंडर द ग्राफ. दूसरा ये हो गया हम पैरेललोग्राम का वो फॉर्मूला यूज कर लेते हैं. मुझे पैरेललोग्राम फॉर्मूला ज्यादा बेहतर लगता है बिकॉज इट्स लाइक वे इजियर. यू जस्ट हैव टू यूज वन फॉर्मूला. अच्छा पैरेललोग्राम का फॉर्मूला होता है 1/2 इंटू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स. मतलब ये वाली साइड और ये वाली पैरेलल साइड. दिस इज 122, 124, 126, 126 plus this is 0 to this point. Let's check what this point is. I think we just अभी हमने निकाला ही था. It was 56 I think. Yeah, it's 56. 56 multiplied by the height. The height is gonna be this. यहाँ से यहाँ तक. Every small block is again 0.2. अच्छा 64, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 77. 77 will be the height. अच्छा अगर हम इसको कैलकुलेट कर लें बट विल पहले इसको कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. 126 प्लस 56. 126 plus 56 will get us 182. 182 into 1 by 2 will get us 91 into 77 will get us 7000. This will be equals to 7007 meters. So this is the answer. We'll round it off to 7000. 7000 meters. The mass of the train is 3.8 kilo into 10 to the power of 5. To determine the deceleration of the train in the 70 seconds before it stops at station Q. Deceleration कैसे पता चलेगी हमें? Just think, it's by the gradient. gradient of a speed time graph or velocity time graph will give us the deceleration or the acceleration. अच्छा हम ये वाला एक पॉइंट ले लेते हैं. We'll take this point and this point. This will take as x1 y1. x1 क्या होगा 56. 56 will be x1. y1 will be 77 as we just calculated. हमने मतलब as we just saw, not calculated. अच्छा this will be x1 will be 126 and y will be 0. अच्छा अब हम फॉर्मूला लगाते हैं y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 will be 0 minus 77 which is y2 y1. x2 क्या होगा 126 minus x1 क्या होगा 56. तो ये 77 divided by 70 आ जाता है minus 77 divided by 70 will give us 1.1 minus 1.1. देख लेते हैं आंसर इज minus 1.1. We can actually ignore the symbol, just saying chalo minus 1.1 meters per second square. So this is the right answer. 1.1 meters per second square. 1.1 वैसे ही लिख रहा हूँ, just add the unit yourself. Calculate the resultant force on the train as it decelerates. अच्छा अब हमें पता चल गया है कि what the deceleration is. Deceleration is 1.1. Oh, that's why. मेरी गलती. Since they have since they have mentioned that it is deceleration, so we don't have to mention what the symbol is. So we don't have to mention that. Sorry, that skipped my mind. So it is 1.1. ठीक है ना? तो we're gonna be using the formula F is equals to ma. Force is equals to mass into acceleration. Mass is 380,000 as we just saw यहाँ. It is 380,000 into 1.1. 1.1. अच्छा अगर हम इसको सॉल्व करें तो we'll get the answer 418,000. अच्छा अच्छा they've rounded it off तो 4.2 times 10 to the power of 5. So we'll just write it as it is 4.2 into 10 raised to the power of 5. ठीक है ना? So this is the right answer. इसके साथ हम लिख देते हैं न्यूटन. So this is the right answer. Since they have not specified the since they have not specified the unit, we have to write it ourselves. अगर किधर unit दिया हो ना तो we don't have to write it. But when they have not given us the unit, then we have to specify what the unit is. So यहाँ भी लगा देते हैं. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.